Hi everyone, Melissa here. Today I have another set of nails designed by my students, and then there's going to be one more after this. I don't know, there may be more because we have 3.5 days of school left and a lot of students still have points, so it's possible they will buy even more, so I'll be doing these into the summer. But I wanted to get this one done so that the student could actually see the design before school is over. Now, Harry Potter is so popular in my classroom. They love it so much. They play Harry Potter games at recess and everything. It's adorable. So this is a Harry Potter design. She wanted one nail for each of the houses and then a red nail with platform 9 3/4 here. I had originally told her that I was just, pick like her house and I would do a color block for her house and just plain nails for the rest because it's time consuming, but I decided, let's just do it. Let's just do it. Let's do all the nails color blocked and get them on there. So I've got, she's got very specific for colors here. It's adorable. We've got gold, that is red. It's supposed to be red. Silver, of course green, bronze, blue, not indigo, black, and of course yellow, and then red for the thumb. So I had a lot of fun going through all my colors to find the correct colors for this, and I hope they work out okay. It's honestly more difficult than you'd think, and strangely enough, in my I don't even know how many colors I have, I do not have just a green, just like a Crayola green, like green. I don't have one, and I don't know how that's true. I don't know. I think the closest I could find, and so this is what I'm going to be using for green. I have Meet Me at the Bayou by Cascade Colorworks, which is a company that is no longer in business, unfortunately, but their colors are gorgeous. It's a little more, I don't know, we'll see how it looks on. It's just not as more, I don't know, vibrant. And then the vibrant ones I had were too neon. It's just, difficult. Then I have Crimson Vixen by Double Dip that I'll be using, I think, for my red. I have If You Must, which is just a gorgeous, like, mustardy yellow, which I think will be perfect, by Double Dipped as well. And then I have Bombshell by Revel for my blue, and hopefully this is a good blue for it. For black, I will be using Pistol from West Coast Dips because I love this black, it doesn't stain. For my silver, I have Brooke from Revel Nail, and then my bronze, I have Ilona from Revel Nail. It's just a gorgeous, like, glittery, flaky, and I think it's gonna look really pretty. Is that all of them? No, gold. My gold from Gigi's Nail Co. Marigold is the color, and it's a really pretty gold shimmer. So I'm only gonna do a walkthrough since this is gonna be repetitive, all 4 nails. I'm gonna do a walkthrough of one of the color blocks, and then we'll just go through working the rest of them out, and just, we'll just let them happen. I have my extensions down. I have some No Wipe gel top coat. I can talk today, I promise. And my peel base. Telling you words. And my peel base. So because I'm going to be using some color blocking tape, I'm going to be using my favorite color blocking tape for this. I love this stuff. I will link it below. And it peels up the peel base, so I'm going to put a layer of dip base down over the peel base and let that dry, and then I'm actually going to kind of just lightly buff off the shine of that so that I can draw on my quadrants onto the nails before I start color blocking. Okay, I got those drawn, just kind of like lined out that quadrants there. I'm going to put the tape down on the nail. I'm putting it down, so I'm doing the bottom half of the nail first, and then I'll do the top half, because, well, that's just easier. See, this is why I draw those quadrants on, because then once I place the tape, when things are off center, I start really questioning whether this is correct. Like, it doesn't look like it's the right amount of the nail. I don't know. But it is. It is. And we're just gonna trust that I drew the things right. So the nail, she has it with gold here. So I'm gonna do it, you know, exact placement that she did. So we're gonna go with the gold. Hello, gold. Gold. First, marigold. Okay, I remember these are very full. All right, I'm going to pull up this part, just the one going down the center here. I did about 3 layers there. I'm gonna pull kind of straight up, try and make it so it comes off clean. And I kind of tried not to let it sit too long. I actually am gonna kind of pull this side too, because, but I'm only gonna pull it up the side where I have this color, just to make sure I can break that dip powder before it sets too hard. Because if it sets too hard, then it will actually, like, it'll pull up the powder that's on the nail as well, and it's gonna mess up the line you have going on. Now I'm gonna fill the other side with red. As I said, this one's very full, making a mess. Alright, that part's done. I put a little bit of activator in these layers so that they would dry down and be a little more sturdy? I don't know. Stay where they are. And then I'm just going to use that same tape I pulled up, Waste Not Want Not, and place it down so that I can fill in the red on the other side on the top. And then I will fill in the gold by hand after. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and activate this nail, and that will let it set while I do the others. One little issue I came across is when you're doing a like chromy pigmented shimmer after a solid, it can kind of like stick on there, but that will come off when we file all our ridges and stuff out. So it'll be fine. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of go through the rest of the nails the same way and get the other colors on. Okay, got all the blocks done. I'm going to just give these a little file and clean up, and then do a dip of clear over them, activate, file again just to really smooth and get any like cracks that are left over from the color block filled in. All right, I filed down the thumbnail. I buffed that all out, and then I put a layer of gel base on it because I'm gonna just put a little like white circle in here so I can write that 9 3/4 over the top of it. So I'm just gonna use a dotting tool to kind of place this circle Circles are notoriously difficult to make, but we're gonna do our best. Okay, that's fine. I'm honestly not looking for a perfect circle. It can be a little oblong. It's fine. I'm gonna be doing a little black outline on it with my Micron, and that will help me clean it up a bit at least. So I'm just gonna cure it as it is. All right, 9 3/4 down. Now I'm just gonna do like a little, I'm actually gonna draw a line for each of these quadrants and then done. All right, all done. These are, I'm hoping exactly what she wanted. I think they turned out pretty close. I did switch up the coloring on this ring just to kind of like have the, because of the glitter, I don't know. I just wanted the orientation to be different for the two glitter nails, but other than that, I mean, she even got her 9 3/4 nail, so hopefully she loves it. I'm sure she will. I hope you all enjoyed it too. And thank you for joining me. I'll be back with another one or maybe some more. I don't know. We'll see how the rest of the school year goes. I'm going to be so sad for it to end. I'm going to be honest. I've grown pretty attached to my first group of students. So it's going to be sad, but I'll be excited for summer to come and to be able to maybe do some more nails. I'm also going to be moving, so kind of going to have some time that I'm not going to be here, but either way, thank you for joining me as always, and I'll see you next time.